Hi kids, welcome to your classroom. Today we will learn letter E, sounds E for elephant. Let's start learning how to write letter E. Start from the top, make straight line down, and go to the top again, make a straight line out to the side, and in the middle, and in the bottom. Let's do it again. E, uppercase. Line down from the top to the bottom. Go to the top again. Make a straight line out to the side. Another in the middle. Another in the bottom. Now you try. Great job! Now let's start E small letter or lowercase. Make a straight line and curve down to the bottom between two lines. Again, make a small straight line, then a curve down to the bottom. Now you try. Good job! Great! Now you learned how to write E, uppercase and lowercase. See you next time in F letter. Sounds F. Goodbye for now.